Private Secure is participating in different markets, and I think we have to differentiate on those different markets that we are participating to. First of all, on the market of the mobile platform, we see first, I think in 2012, we have seen finally some significant growth and volume happening on the NFC market. This is driven by many of the new smartphones which are adopting this technology. On this market, we see more competition that we are facing, which is pretty normal on the market which is maturing. And we see also more and more traction for our secure element that we are developing and proposing on the market. Indeed, more and more of the needs are driven by secure transaction between mobile devices and all the transactions which are happening in the cloud. And in that perspective, we have defined a very strong positioning leveraging our NFC technologies and products, but also the secure element and the security expertise that we have across the board from our different activities. So this is first to cover the mobile platform market, which definitively is enjoying a quite strong growth. On the digital security business, our business is relying on two solid bases, one being the pay TV business with protection from the content, and the other one being the ID and protecting identities, where those businesses are, I would say, strong, solid, and where our position is well maintained. We are also on the digital security market seeing some new emerging trends, certainly driven by the mega trend of the Internet of Things and getting more and more connected devices, where we have a positioning where we can address some new markets like the smart grid and smart metering. And another one is the anti-counterfeiting activities, where we see a very strong traction as there is more and more needs to protect real goods, and certainly on the luxury hand market and also on some high-end products. So those markets are clearly emerging where we have a clear positioning here. And obviously we see an interesting traction on our core competencies being securing any digital transactions, mainly, again, as I said, any connected devices and all the transactions which are happening in the cloud. Well, clearly, as I explained, we have a core positioning on securing transactions, and we have a positioning where we can provide both semiconductor chips with secure microcontrollers, where we already provide some embedded firmware solution, providing security modules on top of the pure silicon, and ESS with mainly three businesses, one being the hardware IP, which is very, very connects to what we are doing in the secure microcontroller world, but also the downloadable VPN and downloadable DRM, which secure the content of the transaction with some embedded software technologies. So basically, as we provide hardware semiconductor chips, we can also add software components thanks to the synergies that we can look with ESS. So clearly it was part of the strategy to reinforce the company on positioning ourselves as an embedded secure solution providers. This is something where we see a lot of synergies that we will, I would say, activate along the time, not disturbing the activities that we have today with ESS, making sure that we succeed well the integration process, which actually is going very well.